how to permanently delete a Gcash account. I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete a Gcash account. To permanently delete your Gcash account, start by preparing. First, clear your balance to make sure there's no money left in your account. Next, update your contact information if needed, and then cancel any automatic payments linked to your Gcash account. After that, gather your identification documents, which you will need for verification. Now download the account deletion request form from the Gcash website or app. Fill it out carefully, and then submit it to the Gcash Help Center. If you're having an authorized representative handle the deletion for you, they will need to provide an authentication letter, along with both your ID and theirs. Finally, once your request is submitted, the Gcash team will validate and process it. This may take a few days, so be patient as your request is handled.